Dear student, now we are going to learn ninth topic of Science 2, and that is social health. First we will learn what is mean by health. Health is a sound condition of a body. It includes physical, mental and social fitness of the well-being. In the aspect social fitness, we are going to concentrate the aspect social health. What is mean by social health? Social health is the ability of person to establish relationship with other person. ज्यालाच आपण मित्र बनवणे असेही म्हणू शकतो. The important characteristic of social health is to change one's behavior according to changing social condition. म्हणजेच आजूबाजूच्या परिस्थितीनुसार आपल्या स्वभावात बदल करणे. For good social health, various factors like strong personality, having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time during loneliness and with peer pressure, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others, because these factors affect the social health. But our lifestyle has changed to some extent in this age of technology. Every person is busy with own daily routine work and in his favorite job only, which has adverse effect on the social health to most extent, because it creates loneliness in future, which is the main cause of depression. Such persons does not share their thoughts feeling with the others, which may lead to mental stress, and sometimes such person may commit suicide also. It indicates that social health is also a very important aspect of becoming healthy. Now let us discuss some factors which disturb the social health. First, we'll discuss how mental stress affect the person's. In every field of life, there is tremendous competition due to increase in population, which leads to mental stress. The children are facing the problems of loneliness and mental stress due to nuclear family. Girls are facing problem of stress due to gender inequality. There are many bindings on girl and excessive freedom for the boys. In some families, boys enjoy the concession from their domestic duties, whereas the girl have compulsion for the domestic duty. You might have seen some advertisement about the increasing awareness on avoiding the discrimination between girls and boys. In the society also, the young girls have to face the problems like teasing, molestation, due to which they are under stress. Nowadays, everyone has to face the stress due to ever increasing crime, violence, social illness. Some people want fast and easy way of making money, which are the part of this society. Now let us learn how addiction disturbs the social health. Adolescents always prefer the company of friends and follow their good or bad habits instead of following advice of parents and teacher. Children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs and so many other things. They do such thing either peer group pressure or symbol of high standard living or as an imitation of elders. However, it may lead to addiction, which may permanently damage the human nervous system, muscular system, heart, and many other organs. Also know the carcinogenic effect of tobacco on mouth and lungs. The third factor which affect the social health or disturb the social health is suffering from incurable disease. The people suffering from incurable diseases like AIDS, TB, leprosy, mental disorders, as well as old person are not treated properly in the society, which is also harmful factor for social health. दारू पिऊन तर्र झालेली, घाणेरड्या जागी पडलेली माणसे तुम्ही पाहिलीच असतील किंवा विषारी दारू प्यायल्याने मृत्यू ओढावल्याच्या बातम्याही तुम्ही वाचल्याच असतील. Efficiency of nervous system, that is brain, liver, as well as lifespan of such person decreases due to alcoholism. Ability of memorization as well as learning also becomes slow. जे दारू पिलेले व्यक्ती हे नीट विचारही करू शकत नाही. Due to this, the person has to face the social, mental and familiar illness along with the physical illness. त्यामुळेच दारू पिण्याची सवय ही वाईट सवय आहे. Now let us learn about communication media and excessive use of modern technology. जर तुम्ही 20-25 वर्षापूर्वीच्या परिस्थितीचा विचार केला मुलांच्या बाबतीत, तर 25 वर्षापूर्वी मुलांना अभ्यासासाठी घरात ओढून आणावे लागायचे. ते सतत मैदानी खेळ किंवा बाहेर खेळण्यात व्यस्त असायचे. परंतु आत्ताच्या काळात मुलांना बाहेर खेळण्यासाठी बळच घराच्या बाहेर ढकलावे लागते. मोबाईल, इंटरनेट, टीव्ही या गोष्टींमध्ये बिझी असतात आणि त्यामुळे त्यांना खेळ खेळण्याचा कंटाळा येतो. याचा सरळ परिणाम सोशल हेल्थवर तर होतोच, पण फिजिकल आणि मेंटल हेल्थवरही होतो. तासनतास अशी मुलं मोबाईल, इंटरनेट, टीव्हीमध्ये बिझी असतात आणि खेळण्याचा कंटाळा करतात. जास्त फोनच्या वापरामुळे त्यांच्या व्हिजनवर तर परिणाम होतोच, पण फोनमधून निघणारे रेडिएशन्स त्यांच्या हाडांवरही दुष्परिणाम करतात. अशी मुलं त्यांच्या नातेवाईकांच्या किंवा मित्रांच्याही जास्त संपर्कात नसतात. ते आत्मकेंद्री किंवा स्वकेंद्री बनतात. They also become less sensitive to the others and they have a tendency not to help others. Such person do not get help from other when they need. The children watching cartoons, playing games gradually become negative. These games available on cell phone is extremely time consuming and causes loss of concentration, loss of money, and it may prove to be fatal also. ब्लू व्हेल गेमच्या बाबतीतील काही घटना तुम्हाला माहीतच असतील. या गेमशिवायच लहान वयातील मुलं नको असलेले व्हिडिओसुद्धा इंटरनेटवर पाहत असतात. एखादा अपघात झालाच तर त्या अपघातग्रस्ताला मदत करण्याऐवजी त्याचे फोटो काढण्यातच लोक धन्यता मानतात. सेल्फी काढताना काळजी न घेतल्यामुळे विविध ॲक्सिडंट झाल्याच्या बातम्याही तुम्ही वाचल्याच असतील. जसं की पाण्यात वाहून जाणे, खोल दरीत पडणे, ट्रेन समोर येऊन ॲक्सिडेंट होणे आणि या सर्व गोष्टींमुळे पालक आणि मुलांमध्ये विसंवाद वाढतच चालला आहे. प्रसंगी मारहाणीच्या, खून मारामारीच्या घटनाही घडतात. Hence, we should make constructive use of communication media like television, phone, and internet for essential need and entertaining only. परंतु त्याच्या मोहजालात न अडकता आपला वेळ वायाला घालवू नये. Now, let us learn about cyber crime. बँकांकडून तुम्हाला कंटिन्युअसली तुमचा OTP, पिन, आधार नंबर, बँक खाते नंबर कुणालाही सांगू नका, शेअर करू नका असे मेसेज वारंवार येत असतात. कारण या माहितीच्या आधारे एखादा हॅकर तुमच्या बँक अकाउंटमधले पैसे काढून घेऊ शकतो. सोशल मीडियाच्या वापरामुळे ही माहिती काही सायबर क्राईमसारख्या गुन्ह्यांमध्ये वापरली जाऊ शकते. Nowadays, crimes like opening a fake account on Facebook and displaying false information and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially is going on. Misuse or illegal sale of written literature, software, photos, videos, music to others by obtaining from internet is called piracy. These electronic media are also misused by sending messages, spreading vulgar pictures, and inflammatory statements. Exchange of information through media like email, Facebook, WhatsApp occurs very fast, but our personal information and phone number are automatically spread and thereby reaches to unwanted person. Some of such messages either impair or shut down the mobiles or computers. All these mentioned incidents are the examples of cybercrime. Committing such crime is also a mental illness. Cybercrime unit has been newly launched by the police department. The person committing the cybercrime has to face the punishments like imprisonment for 3 years and fine up to 5 lakh. Maharashtra is the first state to start a separate cybercrime unit. Now let us learn about stress management. If you share your thought, feeling, difficulty with your near and dear ones, like friends, peers, cousins, teacher, or more importantly with parent, it will help to relieve the stress. You can also relieve the stress by keeping some hobbies like collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, dancing, and so many. You can divert your energy as well as mind towards the positive thinking. Some people can relieve their mental stress by participating in laughing club, that is by laughing loudly. Learning and listening music also help to relieve the stress. You can also participate in outdoor game because it is very important, which keeps you physically fit, which improves the discipline, interaction, and tendency of unity. The loneliness is driven away and the person become more social. Regular exercise, massaging, visiting the spa, it also help to relieve the stress. You can also do yoga, deep breathing. Meditation also help to improve the ability of concentration as well as positivity in your temperament. If you are not able to manage the mental stress, it may lead to serious problem like depression, frustration. Medical advice, counseling, and psychotherapy are available for such person. Now let us learn about some NGOs which provides helping hand. First is Unified Movement Against Tobacco. This movement has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, and so many. This movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing the guidance to the addictives against the tobacco. The second one is Salam Mumbai Foundation. This organization run programs in various schools in Mumbai to improve the children's living in slum area in the field of education, sport, art and business. This organization encourage the children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. Since year 2002, this organization is working in various school, society and rural area to make them tobacco free. There are different government schemes also through which phone numbers, helpline numbers are published in a newspaper to help the children in distress or facing any type of problem. The children can contact the helpline to narrate their problem. Proper help and guidelines are offered to such children.